I'm going to show you how to make pancakes. So to make pancakes, we need 1 cup flour, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, 1/3 cup sugar, and half cup milk. So let's get started. Egg. Now we add sugar. Okay, now mix it well. Okay, now we add oil. Now again mix it well. Okay, it's time to sift dry ingredients. Now we add baking powder and salt. Okay, it's done. Now we fold it with the help of spatula. Okay, now in this stage we add milk. Now again fold it. Okay, it's done. Now we add vanilla essence. It's optional.